Hello everyone, myself Sonam teacher. Today we are going to see the lesson number 4 from textbook Honeycomb, that is the ashes made trees bloom. So as in previous 2 episodes we had talked about the same lesson. The lesson was related to an old family, a couple who were not having a child but they were having a pet dog which was like their own child. As they loved the dog like their own child, they were feeding the dog with their own spoons. Always they try to make the dog happy by giving his favorite dishes to it. As if you think your family members loves you most as you are child of theirs. Yes, your mother, father or grandparents, they always try to make you happy. Same way, the family, that couple was always like to make that dog happy as a child, and that dog was also too loyal with his owner. So always he was helping the owner when he was going to the farm. As the person was a farmer, he was working from early morning to the evening, and the dog was given company in the farm also. And whenever he feels his family members, means that old lady and the man is in the danger, that time the dog was helping, or he was just keeping watch that someone should not hurt them. But as they are living the very happy and nice life togetherly, the neighbors who are not happy by watching their happiness, means they are jealous with that couple as they are having the very nice dog. They don't like the dogs. They always just keep the dogs stay away from their home. Whenever the dog were coming to near that neighbor's home, they always try to beat that dog and keep away. But as the some days over, they had seen that the couple, that old couple was become suddenly rich as previously they were poor. So they tried to find out that how they become the rich, and yes, as the story goes ahead, they come to know that the dog was helping their his owner to get the treasure. The dog shown one day to that farmer at particular place there was so many gold coins, and the owner got that coins, and instead of using that coins for only his family, what he did, he just give some amount to the poor people. Also he facilitated his friends and he gave the feast also. But then too the neighbor was not happy. He was feeling that the treasure was got by those neighbors, it should be get by themselves. So they feel that if we will take the dog with us, keep the dog in our home and will feed him like his owner, then automatically the dog will also give us or map of that particular place, or he will take us to that place and we will get the treasure. See, as we know that if someone is helping us continuously, then we are also loyal with that person. But suppose someone is using us for only their own sake and afterwards they are not giving you the value, then we also don't like such people. Same way the dog also understood that the neighbors are not good people, they are bad people, as always they were beating to that dog. They were not allowed that dog to come in the compound of their home. Then too the couple one day still just take that dog to their garden and they started to feed him with the fishes and good food like a rice. But the dog was afraid and he was not eating anything and not move also. At one place he sat and he does not eat a single bite of food. That time the neighbors become very angry. Why this dog is doing such things? We are offering him the good food, then too he is not eating. Then they both get angry and they just tried to make him eat. Afterwards the dog was get irritated or he get angry, and because of afraidness he started to run away. That time the neighbors started to follow him with the help of some tools to dig out the surface to get the treasure. So at particular place the dog stopped and he started to dig the ground, and the neighbor become very happy. He started to dance like he got the treasure. Before watching or before observing what is actually inside the ground at that particular place, he started to enjoy his success. He feel that I caught this dog and I am just feed this dog with the fishes, so now he is giving me the address of treasure, but actually it was in vain. How? Because the dog was not showing the place where the treasure, but he shown the place where the dead kitten was there. See, because of that dead kitten, it was buried before few days, so automatically it was started to decaying now. And when the neighbor with his wife started to dig out the particular place, they got the very unawful, very bad smell. The odor was unbearable, and they both get very angry with the dog and they started to beat that dog. That man was beating the dog very badly, and because of that the dog was become unconscious and he get dead. And when the dog was dead, the wife of that neighbor, she also give the company to his wife, and she took a very fine knife, and with the help of that tool she started to make the chop that dog's body, and they just buried that dog near the tree. And when this news was given to the person who was the owner of the dog, he was started to cry and he was become very sad. He stopped to eating anything and he was just calling that dog with his nicknames, as the name of that dog was Muko. The dog was very lovely for him. The dog was like a child, and if someone lost their family member, you can understand it is very big loss of their family, and that is a very emotional moment for them. The same way the both people, that old woman and man, were become very unhappy and they started to cry loudly, and they just call that dog, oh my dear Muko, like this. He was starting to call again and again, that they feel that we will call, then the Muko will come back, but actually it was in vain. The dog was dead and it was buried by the neighbor near the tree. So he started to walk near that tree where the dog was buried, and he just sat at that particular place, and again he started to call that dog. And the neighbors told that now he will not come back and you should keep silence. Then he feel very sad and he just brought some different essence which are having the essence, such type of wood he brought, and he just make a tomb of the dog, as like we are making of humans who are passed away. So afterwards the neighbors were not happy, or they are not keeping quiet. They were feeling how we can trouble again this couple. After some days, the old man, the owner of the dog, was got a dream, and in that dream he saw a dog. That Muko was telling the owner that you go near to that tree and you just what do? Yes, you cut that tree, and with the help of that trunk means a big part of the tree, the basement stem of the tree, which is very big, you cut that and make two different motors to get the pastry flour, or to just paste the rice. Then the owner was thinking, why my dog told me like this? Then too he feel that it is my child wish, so I will complete it, and he made the same thing. And when he made those two machines, he decided to use it at the new year to make the new pastries. And when he started to use with the help of his wife, suddenly the machine was started to give the different golden coins, and it was miracle. See, that was very surprising to them, and again they become very rich. And when they were doing these all process, that time again the neighbor was watching from the window what actually is happening in this couple's family or home. and they feel that now we have to take these machines from the neighbor and we will become very rich, as it will give us so many golden coins. So they decided to just request the couple to give that machine for the making pastry. Then they come to the owner of the dog and they ask for the machine, and the owner and his wife, they are very generous. They said, it's okay, you can take this, you can borrow this. And as the neighbors become very happy that now they will become very rich, and they started to use that machine. But oh God, what happened? Yes, the action was reversed. See, if you are doing any work with your full loyal thinking, or with the happiness, or without thinking for anyone bad things, then too you will be success in your that particular work. But if you feel by doing that work someone's good work will be in vain, then it will be not good for you also and that person also. So never think bad for others. So what happened with that couple? Yes, they tried to make the golden coins with the help of that machine, but instead of that there were so many different insects were started to throw out in the home. So home was fully with the different type of insects and the worms, and they started to cry and they just get angry, and they just destroyed whole that machine. As previously they killed the dog, now they had destroyed that machines, as that was in vain for them, not useful for them. Afterwards they had just started to use those all the material or the wood of that particular machine for the firing. After some days, the owner of the dog wanted to take back that machine from the neighbor, but neighbor was told it was broken. And the same day the owner of the dog get again the dream, and the dog came in his dream and told that you just collect the ash of that machine's wood, so and use that to just sprinkle on the trees which are dried, which are not live. Okay, the dried plant will again bloom. The owner was surprised how it happens, but as we know that if any of our relative or person to whom we love, he is telling you to do something, we always listen for him. Same way the owner think that my dog is telling me, or dog spirit is coming in my dream and telling me, so I have to do. And he just went to the neighbor's home. Then to the neighbors insulted him like he is a beggar. Actually he was asking for his own things, but then to the neighbor was very arrogantly talk with him. And then they allow him to take some ash from the place where they had just fired that all the wood. Then the old man just brought that ash to the home, and he just talked with his wife that we have to sprinkle this on those trees which are dried. So they just went to the garden, and they saw the cherry tree was dried, it was not having the green leaves, and he just took a pinch of ash and he sprinkled on the trees. And what was the magic? See, the dried tree become very green, and it was just with the berry fruits. So they become very happy, and they feel that with the help of this ash we can help everyone in the village. And as the news spread in the village, everyone started to come and watch the tree. They wanted to observe the tree and miracle how it happens. Then the couple decided they will use this for the all people, and as they decided to do such things, then the neighbors again listened the news. They got the news that those people are using that ash to make alive again those dried trees. So they feel that we have to do something, or we have to use this ash and we will become very rich. And they just took that ash and they started to sprinkle on the trees. So what happened next? That we are going to see the last part of the story. What actually happened when the neighbors took that ash and started to sprinkle on the trees. They decided to sprinkle on the two sides of the road. See, suddenly the leader of the van caught the sight of the aged man up in the tree. He was about to call out to him in an angry tone, but seeing he was such an old fellow, he pretended not to notice him and passed him by. So, when the daimyo's palanquin drew near, the old man, taking a pinch of ashes from his basket and scattered it over the tree. In a moment, it burst into the blossom. The delighted daimyo ordered the train to be stopped and got out to see the wonder. Calling the old man to him, he thanked him and ordered presents of the silk robes, that sponge cake, fans and other rewards to give him. He even invited him to his castle. So, the old man went gleefully home to share his joy with his dear old wife. See, as the neighbor what did? They just took that ash and they tried to use it on their own trees or other trees, but it was in vain, it was not useful to them. But when the owner of the dog, he started to sprinkle that ash near the railway tracks and in another places, that time the person the landlord who was the head of that village, or he was just ordered to the village. So, he was passing through that particular area by the train, and when he saw that an old man was sitting on the tree and he just sprinkling the pinch of ash on the other trees which are dried, and automatically those dried trees are becoming the just blossoming, he become very happy and feel it is a miracle. Oh wow, it is wonderful, how this wonder happens. He wanted to know, and he just gave order that to stop the train and to come to know what actually it happens and how it can be done. Then he come to the old man, he asks, how can you do this? And he feel very happy, and he started to praise him, and he just gave order to give the different rewards to this old man, as he is making the area green and just making the trees alive. And the old man become very happy, and he decided to go at home and share this news with his dearest old wife. See, when you are getting something you got prize in any activity, that time you are eager to share with your parents, best friends and relatives. Same way, this man was also very eager to share this news with his wife, that he got rewards from the daimyo. But when the greedy neighbor heard of it, he took some of the magic ashes and went out on the highway. See, the greedy neighbor again not stopped to do such things, and he want to become very famous and rich like that dog's owner. So, he decided to use that ash. He just took some magic ashes and went to the highway. So, what happened when he went to the highway? See, there he waited until a daimyo's train come along, and instead of kneeling down like the crowd, the climbed a withered cherry tree. What he did? He just climbed a withered cherry tree, and he decided, I will also do this action in front of the daimyo's train, so he can observe me and he will also offer me some rewards, or he just congratulate me. And so he did the same thing like a dog's owner. But when the daimyo himself was almost directly under him, he threw a handful of ash over the tree, which did not change a particles. The wind blew and the fine dust in the nose and eyes of the daimyo and his wife. See what happened? The person wanted to just make the magic that tree should become bloom or tree should be bloom, but it not happen. The magic was not happen, and the fine dust goes in the eyes and nose of the daimyo and his wife. Means what he wanted to do, it was not happen. Such sneezing and coughing. The couple started to sneezing and coughing due to the dust particles enter in their nose and eyes. It spoiled all the pomp and the dignity of the procession. See that daimyo was the very famous person or respected person in the particular village, and as the neighbor become very big mistake that throwing the ash in the eyes and the nose of this daimyo and his wife, he become very angry. It shows that he is not having any respect to the daimyo, and daimyo get very angry. The man whose business it was to cry, "Get down on your knees," sneezed the old fool by the collar, dragged him from the tree and tumbled him and his ash basket into the ditch by the road. Then the beating him soundly, he left him for dead. See, as soon as he did this thing, the daimyos having the other servants, a worker with him, they get very angry and they call that neighbor to come down from the tree, but he was afraid and he was not coming down. Then those people just went to him and they just dragged him down from the tree and just started to beat again and again, and very badly they beat him and just left him in the road to get die instead of helping him to go to the hospital. Thus the wicked old man died in the mud, but the kind friend of the dog dwelt in the peace and the plenty, and both he and his wife lived to the green old age. See, as previously we had come to know that the old couple was very nicely behaving with the dog. They were never beat that dog, and they were helping him or keeping as a child, so that the dog was helping, not only he was alive, after the death also the dog was helping his owner. But the neighbors become very jealous and they started to spoil their happiness, and they wanted to become like those old people, but it was in vain. Every time they wanted to just trouble those people, but it was reversed to them. Means if you feel something good for others, it will becomes reverse to you. Means other people will feel for you good, or they will just pray for you. But if you are giving curse, always you use bad words for others, the same way others will also use bad words for you. Means they will also not feel that you are a good person. So whatever we just behave, it is comes reversely. Means if you behave properly with your friends, then too only they will behave good with you. If you are playing any game and you are doing always cheating, so never your friends will come to play with you, or they will call you a cheater every time. So from this story we understood that it is very important, when you see anyone is successful person, that time what you have to do? Yes, you have to happy with them, and you should not become unhappy, should not spoil their things. You should try to do your better things without becoming jealous with others' life. As we know that we all are our own masters. Means you wanted to become very successful person, it is in your own hand. You should not depend on others. If someone is doing something good, you have to cheer up or help them instead of pulling their legs. If you started to trouble others, automatically you will be troubled by someone else and you will not become success. So we have to decide, we wanted to become like the dog owner or like their neighbors. Yes, sometimes we also get angry with some things, or we feel that I should buy this thing but because of some problems we cannot do this. It doesn't mean that we should trouble others. Means if you feel or you just think good, then it will come reverse to you good things only. So never disturb others, never use bad words for others, and you have to feel happy. Your life is too happy, whatever you are having it is good for you. Does not be very greedy. The greediness is also very dangerous for us. So be happy whatever you are having and try to make others happy. As you will be happy, the people who will come in your contact, automatically they will also become very happy people. So to be being a good human being, you should think or you should keep in mind all those things whatever you had learned from your syllabus. As you are going to read those stories, you will come to know that these stories are not only for the syllabus completion or to write the lessons, to give the exams, but it is for to just behave in your daily life like a good person. It gives moral and the very nice activities we can do after these lessons. Means those lessons tell us how to live our life happily and to make the other people happy. So what you have to do? You have to read this lesson very carefully. You have to help your friends. You does not just irritate anyone or does not feel bad for anyone. And if you are getting sometimes less marks, you should not become very sad that he or she got out of a mark and I got very less mark. Instead of becoming jealous, you have to find out what are the reasons that my friends are getting the good marks and I am scoring less. And when you find out the problems, the solution will be automatically got by you. So be happy, just live happy and to help others to live the happily. So few words are here. Meaning of words: a partial, it is even a little bit. Partial means little bit from the more. Eased means to caught someone. Green, actually green is a color, but instead of color, the last one sentence from this story is both he and his wife lived to a green old age. What is green old age? Means healthy, active and prosperous life. So in this way we can say that the green will not come only for the color green, it is also to live happily, means healthy, active and prosperous life. It is also known as green. See few more words, that is gleefully. What is gleefully? Happily. Okay, happily is a similar word of gleefully. Palanquin, that is a royal van or cart. See in previous days the people like daimyo were very rich persons who were having their own vehicles like royal van and cart, and those are known as palanquin. As we will talk about the various type of companies, cars and vans are available, but this was the special one vehicle used by the daimyos. Train, it is a mode of transportation, that procession. Prostrate, that is lying on the ground face downward. When you lie on the ground, that time your face is towards the ground and your back is upside, that time this position is known as prostrate. The sleeping on your face is known as, okay, one more word, phrase, turned up their noses. What is the meaning of phrase? That is treated him with contempt. Treated with him contempt. Last one word, withered, that is bare and very dry one. Okay, bare and dry one, it is meaning withered. So, by this lesson you come to know that what morals we have to keep with us and which things we should keep away from ourselves, so that you can live happily and the people who are in your surrounding, they will also can live happily. So, do not be greedy, be courageous, loyal and live happily. Thank you.